Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rainbow text just like this to your Instagram stories. Adding text like this can make your Instagram stories look more unique and more professional. All right, so let's go and get started. So the first thing we need to do is simply open the Instagram app and then create a story. Now you can use this method over any of the different types of stories, including pictures, videos, boomerang, anything like that, and it'll still work exactly the same. But just for simplification in this tutorial, I'm going to use type just so you can clearly see the text. The next thing we need to do is add text to our story. Once you've added text, hit the next bar, and now we have our text added. We can reshape it, we can move it around, do whatever we want to it. The next step is just to simply select the text, and you'll see the colors at the bottom. Now what we need to do is long press the text so that it's highlighted. See how that's highlighted right there? We want to make sure that all the text that we want to change to rainbow is highlighted. So to do this now, we have to use both fingers at the same time. So what we want to do is grab the cursor over here that is moving the highlighter, and then put your other finger on the color at the bottom. So right now my left finger is holding the cursor at the beginning of the text, and then my right finger is going to touch the colors at the bottom. You see how the bar changed like that? Now what I'm going to do at the same time, move my fingers so that they're going across the text like that and moving across the color at the same time. So as you can see, while I moved the cursor from left to right, I moved my finger on the colors from right to left, and the color of the text changed accordingly. So you can do this as many times as you want. You can also just do it on specific colors or specific text. So I'm going to just change this text right here using the same method. So I'm going to hold the cursor over here, and at the same time, I'm going to touch the colors on the bottom and move them at the same time. So then I have two different rainbow text right there. Now I can select done, and I have my rainbow text. I can move it around just like I would with any other type of text in an Instagram story. So it's exactly the same. It just has rainbow colors. So that's how you add rainbow text to your Instagram stories. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.